Oh my god, just look at that. Wow. We will have a look at very cute things today. Ooh, I was dreaming about it a long time ago. Wow. Today we have this kind of sitting, relaxing video. I'm talking to you like with my girlfriend. I have a drink of choice today. It's water because it's 5 o'clock in the evening. Quite warm today. Standing cups are quite good. When I forget to drink, then it's good to have it with me. I will show you my recent purchase from H&M and my purchase from Chanel, which actually I've made myself a present, but I didn't make a separate unboxing for it. My birthday was in March 12 and we were in Mexico, but I have to start from this what is on me, because guys, I just had to show you in this video these beautiful clothes. I have a few of them. It's a brand called StyleWe. You've already probably saw it on my YouTube channel. I've mentioned it several times because I collaborated with them. I had video like unboxing hauls, like trying hauls, and this time I've got few pieces for them and I think I should mention it. By the way, how do you like my colored hair recent? So StyleWe is a brand of international designers who make very special pieces. Their styles are very bright, not the same like everything else, little bit unusual, but there are also pieces which are more classical, so it's something for everyone. But I am who loves fashion and experiments. Of course, I need to find something really bright and interesting for me, so I thought, why not? So this top, we'll show you the picture. When I saw it, I thought it should be mine. Look at the back, and it has a small like form here and those big variations on the arms, but it's possible to take it away. Not sure that this top is still there because I couldn't find the link on it. Maybe it's sold out, unfortunately, but anyway, if it will pop up again, so you have a link for it. Also from StyleWe I got this beautiful top. I decided to go for this color, like blue, very beautiful grayish blue color. I will come closer to you so you will see it. It's open neck. I like the V-neck, good for my frame. I'm quite petite, so it suits to me actually, this kind of neck. And nice silky material. I thought that it's a nice addition to the classical wardrobe. Then this thing is quite special. It's a blazer. It's like a very, very, very long blazer. I need to tailor it because it's not for my height, but I just couldn't resist. It's so pretty, it's so long, it's so cute, and now I can have it only with heel, but I will tailor it so I can have it only also with smaller heel. I don't even know if it's a blazer or it's a dress, both of it, and it's a little bit too big for me. It's size small. Everything I have here from StyleWe is small, but anyway, I love it and really recommend it, and the color is perfect. Even though it's a little bit big, I don't care about it. I love oversize, so I like to have a roomy. All this better than tight. How to show you this? Yes, I also got a dress from StyleWe. I will definitely insert some clips so you can see it better. It's a linen. I like that it's natural material 100%, and it's like holds down from one shoulder. It's also quite long with a belt, a little bit oversized also, and you know me, big as you can see, and this is size small. So if you are in between sizes, you can go size smaller actually. And one more piece that I got, it's a top, consists from two different pieces. It's like a inside top, and this is on the top of the top. I actually used this separately also. Top with this like a bra detailing, very convenient. I'll show you a little bit more far. And this other one is a net transparent top. I think it's really cute. It's also a bit bigger for my small size, but I already got used to that style. We have a little bit bigger usually sizes, so they can fit to many people. So if you order from StyleWe, take a bit smaller size. I really like how it sits on the frame. It's so elegant. Those pieces from StyleWe, they are not really minimalistic, but they are special and they are really interesting. Guys, I have discount code for you. It's 20% discount. I will put it somewhere here and you will find all information with my promo code. I actually wanted to also add something that I got from before from StyleWe. This beautiful blazer, and it's a set with trousers in the same color. You know, it looks like a map. Don't you think so? I think it's really cute. I will also insert some clip. I made this previous collaboration for StyleWe for my Instagram and decided by myself that I also want to show it to you on YouTube, because not all of you are actually following me on Instagram. If you are still not, have a look. There I have much more clothes or quickly can show them than on YouTube, because YouTube definitely takes more time from me. It's time consuming. By the way, I will be grateful if you put a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really helps me to grow, like all YouTubers want to grow, and maybe my video will go to right audience. If you like it, it will be recommended to people also who love fashion. We will finish with StyleWe with this dress. Look at the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pattern. Pinkish and red. I took this dress with me to a trip to Mexico. It was perfect there. You know, Mexico, different colors. And by the way, there are pockets. Very convenient. And now I will show you what I got from H&M. Few of the pieces were not really good. They didn't suit me. For example, this top. I don't think that I will keep it. It's nice, it was not so expensive, and it's like glittering, stretchy t-shirt. No, sorry, shirt. But I think for some reason it doesn't suit to my face. It's too much dramatic or something. Saying me staying in this huge top from StyleWe, but this is different. I think it's too much kind of shine. No, I don't like myself in it. Something that I will keep definitely is this black shirt. I wanted to find a black shirt with a small waist. H&M has it. It's some kind of poplin and it has this like a small skirt here. I really like how it fits. Recommend. Other thing, and this shirt I bought, I don't know, this I didn't like so much and it was too small size on me, so I actually will not keep it. And it also very close here on my neck. No, I don't. This I will not keep. This thing was promising. I loved it on the side, on the model, but I think it didn't suit me so well. It is big round opening. I look childish, not like a serious 43 years old woman. I don't know, just don't feel like I want to keep it. This shirt I love, will style it, will use it. I think it suits perfectly to my face. It's animal print, like I showed in one of my videos before about the trends. Animal print is back, of course. It's every season almost back. But this one is very nice color. It's darker, not very bright. I actually have a scarf in the same color. Same dark, almost same. Little bit lighter, but I love how these dark colors for somehow suit my face. And one more thing that I found on H&M site, but it's actually from brand Monkey. It's just a transparent top. I actually have a skirt similar. We'll show you the picture, and it could be set together. But recently I've bought several dresses without shoulders, like bandeau and tops, and I wanted to have some cover. Sometimes when you go out or you go to some restaurant or bar, you want to cover your shoulders with something, especially in winter. So I'm just thinking this thing will be quite good in my closet, and I was glad that it was good fit, little longer arms, little bit nice. You know, when it's open here you can have longer sleeves. It's so cute here. One more shirt. This I didn't like. It's similar to another one, but another one with buttons, which I will keep. And this one is also a little bit like too much village vibe for me with this round neck. So I think it will suit to another type of people. another type of body type. Another type of body type, I don't know if you can say like this, but you understand what I mean. I also need to show you this find. This is brand H&M, I think. I don't remember. I bought it secondhand, pre-loved. Yes, it's H&M. Look at this cute top, just for 10 bucks from some girl. I bought it. Yes, sometimes I like to buy something vintage. I showed you in one of the last video also that I purchased several bags, and I purchased a vintage coat from Mink, and now this beautiful top. Can't wait to style it. Maybe in the beginning of summer for some small holiday festive season. Also, I bought a bag, the same like I showed you previous video, but a black, also Zara. I told you that I ordered it and it came. It's so cute. I'm really happy that I bought these bags. Now for me they're kind of vintage. They remind me this time when I just moved to Sweden, I just opened my channel. I always thought about it, and now I have it in two colors. In this and the beige, the straw one. Also, I've got two new babies, broaches. Also was talking about broaches on in my previous video about trends, one of the previous. And those I also bought from some girls on Vinted. And I can imagine this brooch somewhere, you know, in a white t-shirt, and have it like here. Or this also can be on some nice place on the waist. And they cost me like $5 each. Thank you girls for selling beautiful things. Finally, I will show you the bag, but it will not be real unboxing because I already unboxed it and I already used it. But there are so many unboxing now, so I don't think that it's even needed to show a real unboxing. How do you think? But anyway, it's Chanel. No, like this. It's Chanel. What happened with me? Why did I decide to buy another Chanel bag? I have a few. Because this bag I never really bought before, and this bag was supposed to be my first and only one. Because it is a classical medium caviar, black caviar bag. Used it once. That bag, I was dreaming about it from 2000 something, when I started to love bags. I was dreaming about this bag. It was everywhere, but I bought a vintage one like long time ago. I bought similar because I didn't have money for a new one from the boutique. This I bought in the boutique here in Stockholm, and then I sold it because it was dark green. It was vintage, it was nice, but something in it didn't suit me. I'm not a vintage girl. Not everything vintage suits me. And then I bought 225.5. I decided to buy this because it's a little bit more roomy than classic flap medium. They are both medium, but you can see how more roomy is 255 than this. And then I bought a blue, like first was a beige classic flap, then was, because I thought I already have a black, I don't want to buy one more black, or I couldn't let myself to buy this also. I bought white, then I sold white, then I bought blue. Blue I still have there, and I had also pink that I sold. This is crazy. I just wanted this bag all the time. Before I got my birthday, in March, before my traveling, we went with my friend for like lunch, coffee, and then I said, let's just go to Chanel, just have a look. And they had two of those girls, and when I saw her, I thought she will go home with me, because I don't care that prices are high. I know that if I sooner or later I anyway want to buy it. So I'm selling several of my other bags now, already sold few to cover expenses for this cutie, but I don't regret. She deserves to be in my closet. I was dreaming about her all the time, and now I love her. Even her stitching, when I compared two bags, I thought that even these puffer things, they were more beautiful on this one. I thought, this is my baby. They are not so big, you know. I am also not so big, petite. So it's perfect. Oh my god. So it's no use to show you anything about this bag. You know probably how it looks. There is a pocket here, you know the dimensions. It's this beautiful red color inside. I even have insert from some organ for this classical flap because I got it many years ago, maybe several years ago, because I was planning to buy it. So now I have insert also in this burgundy color. For now I don't plan to sell another one to 25 because they're different and it has more space, but if I feel like I really don't use it at all, maybe I will think about it. Tell me what you think. Should I keep only one or have both of them? This was my today's video about pleasant things, our girly things. I hope you liked it, and next one will be this one. Bye bye.